the fingerprint region, which is lies between 1200 to 700 per centimeter. The fingerprint region is basically used for identify the structure of unknown compound. Fingerprint region is the small difference in structures and constitutions of molecule, the region in which the number of stretching frequencies lies. It is the region which is different from the functional group region. The functional group region which lies above 1400 per centimeter and below to 1400 per centimeter, the region that is called fingerprint region. So in fingerprint regions we discuss like no two molecular compounds are identical in bonds. As you can see, if we have ethanol or propanol, so there are different number of molecular bonds. So the fingerprint region is used for individual compounds to determine their molecular structure and their molecular formula. Now discuss the applications. In applications of fingerprint region, we can compare the spectrum of two different compounds. We can identify their structure, and we now no two samples will have identical IR spectrum. They will show different number of peaks at different point at different frequency. The fingerprint region basically lies between 1400 to 600 per centimeter. Somewhere it mentioned as 1200 to 600 centimeters. So basically the main region is of fingerprint 1400 per centimeter to 600 per centimeter. So now see in this spectra, I will show you about the spectrum of ketone in which CH stretching frequency, the peaks comes under 3000 per centimeter, and the carbonyl frequency is about 1716 per centimeter, and below 1716 there is the fingerprint region. Above 17, or we can say above 1400 per centimeter, the functional group region comes, but below the 1700 per centimeter, the region which is called fingerprint region. As we know, the prints on the finger, they are not identical to each other. They have different pattern. So like that, fingerprint region is also like fingers. If fingers are not in same pattern, their prints are not in same pattern, so similarly the compounds have different patterns, they have different peaks, and they have, if they have different peaks, it means they have different properties, they have different identities. So we can't put them in single slot. All the compounds, they are not similar. So functional group generally tells about the family, but all family members are not same. So like that, fingerprint region is helpful to identify